I've dreamt of this and waited 9 months for this moment. Let's get started with today's video. This is so weird recording. I have been out of commission for what feels like almost 2 weeks now. I caught the C word and in last week's video, I had Jimmy and the boys clutch and put out another video, which I'm so thankful for. I've posted more than 50 weeks in a row and they helped me not break that streak. So today, I'm still not feeling 100%, maybe like 80-90%, but we're gonna go ahead and do it. I received a package that I've been waiting for so long. This has been a dream part of mine, literally a dream to be able to get this specific part. And yes, I'm just gonna put it out there. It's a big wing. A couple videos ago, Jimmy got a big wing and I trolled all of you guys and said that was my wing, test fitting it, blah, blah, blah. But in reality, I placed this order back in January and I've been waiting since, and today's the day we get to unbox it. I get to show you guys what I've been waiting for, and finally the big wing has arrived. Let's get to it. We're gonna put the wing on top of the wing, baby. Not to beat around the bush, but look at the box, boys. Y'all know what it is. Oh. Aha, how does the wing look? That looks pretty sick. Look at it, guys. This is my new wing. Whoa. Yo, that's funny. Damn, that already looks pretty good, doesn't it?
Are you serious?
There are a lot of wing options out there like Varis, Sibon, which was probably the best looking wing that resembled the MK4 Supra, and that's why I got it initially. But now that I'm going with this track build, this GT3 Supra build, Voltex was the only choice for me. I really like the Varis wing that Jimmy has, and Varis is actually coming out with a Swan Neck wing as well. I've even seen prototypes of Horse GT3 wings onto the Supra, which I thought was bonkers, but I knew deep down in my heart, as a JDM fanatic, Voltex was the only option I could go with. So let's go ahead, man. This thing is heavy. I even brought out a table to officially unbox this for you guys today. Ooh. Oh, this is magnificent, babe. This is crazy. I can't believe I've actually finally got myself a Voltex wing. Voltex has always been a dream of mine. To own a Voltex Cyber Evo kit or a fully kitted out S2000 with Voltex parts, I mean, that's every boy's dream. And to be able to finally get a Voltex wing and have it on the Supra, it is a surreal feeling. It's a dream, really, and I'm super excited to get this Voltex wing on the Supra. Close up. Holy moly! Carbon fiber. There it is, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh. As you guys can see, there's the two mounts in the middle because we went with a Swan Neck wing. Swan Neck wing. Oh, shit. That looks so good. Oh my god. I don't even know if I'm holding it the right way. But sheesh! Sheesh! Alright. We have the Swan Neck wing stands. Oh my god, babe. I can't believe I got these. We have the wing base. Oh my gosh. Carbon. I didn't even know the wing base was carbon. Wow. Look at that. Alright, y'all. Here's a close look at the wing. This is the carbon fiber wing itself, and even the mounts, they're not carbon fiber, but they're anodized or whatever technique this is called. Not anodized, what is it called? Maybe hydro dip? I have no idea. Maybe it is carbon fiber, but that looks super cool that they did that. Oh my gosh. So it all flows perfectly, but the carbon fiber weave looks so good. Then we have the trunk mount, which is insane. There's a carbon fiber backing for support underneath the trunk, which is insane. And then we got the two mounts here. If you buy fake Voltex, you'll know if it's fake because Voltex's hardware is all black. So there are some replica wings out there of other version of wings, but how you know it's legit is obviously there's Voltex all on the side, but the hardware is all black for Voltex. The replicas typically have silver. That's just one indicator. We have the end plates, which is carbon fiber. And I will be rocking the Voltex sticker on the sides, but we have two end plates. And then we have the Swan Neck mounts itself, which the wing is adjustable. So you can adjust the angle of attack. Oh my God, I'm super excited. The packaging was perfect. From what I can see so far, the wing is perfect itself. I can't believe this Voltex wing is mine. I've owned the Supra for more than 2 years now. And before I even bought the Supra, I knew I wanted the Voltex Type 10 wing. In my opinion, it is the best looking one, and I think it goes perfect with how I am speccing out my Supra right now. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to get it on for the track. Track day is 1 week away, and due to unforeseen circumstances like me getting sick and being out of commission, there were a lot more parts that I wanted to install on the Supra, and I'm not going to be able to get it on there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just give you guys an update, let you know what's sitting in my garage and what I'm going to be installing after our track day. I'm super excited. I really wish I could have got this on the Supra before track day, but I got a brand new Varus diffuser. I didn't get it from Varus. Somebody was selling it locally and I got it for a really good deal. But because I plan on tracking my Supra more, I wanted a diffuser that was functional. And everybody speaks very highly about Varus engineering, and Jackie Ding has tested this diffuser himself. He ran it on his Supra. I'm super excited to put it on mine. It would have been really nice to get it on before track day, but it's too close. I'm still not feeling well, and I don't think I'm going to be able to install it on time, and I want to make sure I install it correctly. But ooh, check out this Varus diffuser. Next, I've been sitting on this piece for a while, but I have carbon fiber hood louvers from Sabre Design. This part I could have gotten on, but I've been lagging and now it's just too late. But I'm going to be getting these on the car very, very soon. Let me show you guys what it looks like. But shout out to Caleb at Sabre Designs for sending these out. I'm super excited. Oh, that's going to look so mean. The goal one day is to get a carbon fiber hood, and Sabre Designs is my favorite one. Maybe I'll get that one day, but right now that's too expensive, so we're gonna settle for the carbon fiber hood louvers, which I think is gonna look super good on black. Wow, that looks freaking sick. I did unbox this in another video and I haven't done anything with it yet. It's the EVS side skirts. And the reason why I haven't dropped these off for paint yet is I actually want to test fit these skirts onto the Supra to do any modifications to make sure it fits well before setting it off to paint. I'm going to be setting it to Street Garage, so Jason, get ready to paint these bad boys. But it might be a good thing that I haven't gotten to this yet. If I got this on the track day, it'd probably be more prone to breaking. I think I'm going to be okay though, but I don't want to risk it. So on the off season during the fall, I'm going to go ahead and install these, drop these off for paint, and the Supra's going to look all brand new. Oh my God, guys. After track day, this thing is going to go through a transformation. All right, y'all, that's it for today's video. Just wanted to provide you guys a little update of everything that's due for the Supra. I'm super excited about how everything's turning out. And this is exactly what I envisioned for the V2 part of the build, the Supra GT3 build. What do you guys think so far? Again, next week is finally the day where I take the Supra on the track for the first time. It's my first time ever tracking at all, and I'm super nervous, but I'm gonna take you guys along with me and bring you guys along for the whole experience. I'm not out there trying to be the fastest person. I'm just trying to enjoy my car to the fullest, and I'm super excited to take you along with me. If you made it this far, thank you so much for for all of the support. It's all because of you guys and girls that watch the channel, that pushes me and motivates me to continue to do YouTube. And I'm super, super excited about this journey. Thank you again. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Track day. Oh, let me end it. Oh yeah, y'all. It's almost time. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace out. Comment, like, subscribe. I love you all.